Our Canadian justice system is a kangaroo justice system. First, prominent lawyer Alan Hepner conducted just like a blueprint of Stalin monster trials against my family. Then director of Chinese Cultural Center committed the biggest racist perjury ever committed on our planet. And our kangaroo justice system makes sure that there are no appeals at all. Then we claim that Premier Ralph Klein is Hitler of Alberta because he refused to provide involuntary treatment for psychiatric patients. Then Mike Frankovich committed first-class perjury claiming that he is protecting Ralph Klein. Again, no appeals. People of Jewish religion are the same as people of all other religions. They are good Jews and they are bad Jews. The prominent lawyer Alan Hepner and director of Jewish Defense League of Canada Harvey Kane are bad Jews. Hepner and Harvey Kane filed complaint to the Alberta Human Rights Commission that we are anti-Semitic and anti-Chinese. Since Chinese community didn't file this complaint to the Human Rights Commission, Alan Hepner and Harvey Kane filed fabricated evidence for Chinese community to the Human Rights Commission. Since my son and I, in 1984, wrote and produced the play in Pump House Theatre about the Holocaust, we were anyway convicted as anti-Semitic and anti-Chinese. Because of this, we became victims of extreme Nazi hate and propaganda and extreme insane frenzy of Canadian press and media. Despite the fact of this fabricated evidence, we continue to advocate for victims of schizophrenia. Today, we became victims of fabricated evidence by Detective Eric Levesque, Special Crown Prosecutor Brian Holtby, and prominent lawyer Alan Hepner. Since Calgary Chinese community is fully aware of perjury produced by director of Chinese Cultural Center Chuck Tam, his wife, and Elizabeth Spark, I am confident the Chinese community would not lay charges again against my son and me that we are inciting hatred against the Chinese people. Calgary Chinese are far more intelligent than Detective Eric Levesque, Crown Prosecutor Brian Holtby, and prominent lawyer Alan Hepner, who laid these fabricated charges of inciting hatred. Today we are facing 20 fabricated charges of inciting hatred against Chinese. Also, prominent lawyer Alan Hepner laid charge of criminal defamatory libel. Since this charge was abolished in all democratic countries, demonstrates that Alan Hepner fully enjoys our kangaroo system of justice. Today, after our arrest by Detective Eric Levesque, we became again victim of extreme Nazi hate and propaganda and extreme insane frenzy of Canadian press and media. And all evidence is on our website.